Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep your games automatically updated on your Xbox Series X. So you may have noticed some games you open it up and then it prompts you to update the game. This is because you haven't used it in a while. So if you have a new game under here and you haven't used it within the last 28 days, anytime you go to it and there was an update released, you're going to have to manually update it. So you have to be using the game frequently, otherwise it's not going to automatically update, even if you have this setting turned specifically on. So maybe let's try going to this one right here, see if Minecraft's up to date. It is, so I'm going to press the Xbox button, then go to the side menu here, and I'm going to go to My Games and Applications. And then I'm going to go to See All on the top. Then under here, I want to scroll on down. Go to where it says Manage Queue. Go to the right. And if there is an update from one of our games, we can go to Updates right here. And we can update all the games at once. So it looks like all my games are up to date. So let's say I need an update for Fortnite, Rocket League, and Apex Legends. I can just select Update All. It will update all those games. So if I was away for like a month or something, I'll have to update everything. So just come to the section. It's so much easier just to update everything at the same time. Otherwise, we want to make sure this setting is specifically turned on. Keep my games and apps up to date. Just select this right here. It says keep my console up to date. Check mark there. Keep my games and applications up to date. Check mark right here as well. And then here is the caveat. It says games played in the last 20 days will automatically update based on your current location. So anything else, 29 days and past, those will not automatically update. So you do need to be using the application or game for it to update automatically, otherwise it won't do that. So you can check the latest console update status right here as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.